First person motivation. I don't wait for life to happen to me. I take control. I don't sit back and watch. I make things happen. I don't hope for success. I execute. I am not passive. I am not average. I am not here to play small. I take full responsibility for where I am and where I'm going. I do not make excuses. I do not shift the blame. I do not wait for permission. I dominate my life. If I don't like where I am, I change it. If I don't like how I feel, I shift my mindset. If I don't like my results, I level up my effort. I refuse to let distractions control me. I refuse to let emotions dictate my actions. I refuse to let circumstances define me. The world doesn't owe me anything. Success doesn't happen by chance. Power is taken, not given. I don't wait for the right time. I create it. I don't wait for opportunities. I seize them. I don't hesitate. I move. I dominate my time. I dominate my habits. I dominate my destiny. I am not someone who watches others win. I am the one who wins. I am not someone who waits. I take action now. I am not someone who plays it safe. I go all in. I control my body. I control my mind. I control my focus. Nothing can shake me. Nothing can break me. Nothing can stop me. I do not ask for success. I demand it from myself. I do not wish for better results. I create them. I do not wait for motivation. I move regardless because I own my life, because I control my future, because I dominate my life. I do not break. I do not fold. I do not quit. I rise. I execute. I conquer. I dominate my life.